In this lesson, we'll open up a photo in Photoshop on the iPad and then import another photo into that document, save it as a PSD on your iPad so that you can share it to somebody. Open up Photoshop on your iPad and on the bottom left, click on Import and Open. Then click on Photos. Once you've opened a photo in Photoshop, you can merge other photos into that Photoshop document. Click on the plus sign right here and then click on Photos again. Once you've completed your Photoshop document design, click the Share button, click on PSD, and then click on Export. You want to save to the files on your iPad. I save my files to the Downloads folder. Click Save. If you need to submit the Photoshop document as a school assignment online, go to the school website, click on the Upload area, and then click on Choose Files. Recents may pop up, and that PSD will be right here. You might have to go to your Downloads if that's where you saved it to. And then click Open.